Hey guys, my name is Yadz Shirwadkar from Bvoip. I'm the regional sales manager and I'm here to highlight how Bvoip can help you to support your business on a day-to-day basis. So Bvoip has 10 products that we combined integrate with multiple facets of what an ITSP or MSP does on a day-to-day basis. Those 10 things are UCaaS, CCaaS, your contact center as a solution, messaging solution, integration with 200 plus applications or SaaS solutions, your Microsoft Teams direct routing, on-call management and alerting tool, business intelligence solutions within AI feature sets as well, MFA tool, progressive dialer, and you can resell Bvoip further to your customers. If I had to describe Bvoip in 3 words, I would say innovation, communications, and channel only. Bvoip can save MSPs money by automating the workflow and integrating to many of the existing tools and systems that MSPs are currently using to run the business. Time is equal to money. Bvoip can also increase your efficiencies within your business. This can be done in so many places: help desk, sales operations, on-call and alerting management, your client reporting, your staff accountability, your user validation / MFA and verifying who you're speaking to. Where do you want me to start? Additionally, Bvoip can reduce and mitigate risk in your business. We do this by tracking every interaction via voice messaging into your existing systems, associating call recordings, messaging logs, and transcriptions into your existing systems so you see the whole picture in one time, alerting you in important situations and making sure that the messages are received, validating your users before you start working with them to confirm that they are who they say they are as an MFA tool. Bvoip works with other services too. There are a range of complementary vendors that are currently on the Pax8 Linecard. Want to know more? We are in the communications business. You can call us or head to bvoip.com/contact. We would love to talk to you or reach out to your Pax8 team members.